Now this question says solve for x if 2x plus 5 is equals to 9. It asks us to get the value of x, which is 2x plus 5 is equals to 9. Now when we want to solve something like this, since we are looking for x, this guy here, looking for the x, which means whatever that has x to stay in one particular side, then the rest, take the rest in the other side. Now so this is 2x here is equals to, we have our 9, then take this to this other side, it gives us minus 5 is equals to what? Minus 5. Then 2x is equals to 9 minus 5 gives us 4. Now we have 2x is equals to 4. Now looking for x, not 2x. So what do we do to make sure that x stands on its own? Divide both sides by 2. Yes. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Now x is on its own here. Then we can also divide this place. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Which means the value for x is equals to 2. This is what we're being asked to find. So which means x is equals to 2.